is that, you know, those new entrants are really important because they change the game in terms of the way the big incumbents think.
Yeah.
You know, but when I look back at the UK, you know, 20 years ago, all those new brands that came in that triggered that new thinking, none of those exist anymore. You know, that the winners are the incumbents, because it really forces the incumbents to pull their socks up and get their game together.
Yeah.
And I do think we'll see some of that in the US as well, where, you know, the dynamics in the startups are different. So, you know, I want to be sitting here in 10 years running the biggest, most profitable, most successful small business insurer in the US, you know, which is part of Hiscox.
Yeah.
A lot of the startups, the mindset's different. You know, it's about growth, it's about exit, it's about that entrepreneurial spirit to make some, you know, to make that investment work and then move on to something else, you know. And that's quite a dangerous thing when you're working with a product where, you know, you don't know the cost of that product when you write it.
Yeah.
Write $100 premium today that could cost me $10 million.
Right.
And I won't know that tomorrow either. I'll know that in 7 years' time.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And, you know, a lot of the startups may not be around and may not be owned by the same people in 5 or 7 years. So it is a very different dynamic. Hi, I'm Kevin Kerridge. I'm the CEO of Hiscox USA, and this is the future of insurance.